The Enercon Super Seal range is the best-selling machine of the induction cap sealing industry. Used by most manufacturing sectors, it seals everything from milk bottles to ketchup, vitamin pills to lawn seed, and jars of coffee to motor oil containers. These machines deliver reliable and consistent hermetic seals time after time. The Super Seal 300, 400 and 600 are the latest generation of induction cap sealers, directly replacing the Super Seal 50, 75 and 100. This range of compact machines is air-cooled and capable of running at conveyor speeds of 1 to 30 meters per minute and requires very little maintenance. New features include a simplified menu giving quicker access to features and an improved user interface where error codes have been replaced with shortened text versions for simpler fault resolution. And for the first time, optional integrated quality control sensors are mechanically and electronically integrated within the machine. These induction cap sealers can seal the widest range of applications thanks to our unique range of induction coils. Our flat coils are better suited to larger diameter caps, whereas tunnel coils are adept in high throughput and difficult sealing applications. The range also uses a new all-in-one coil, sealing caps from 20 to 120 millimeters diameter, so you can seal different applications on one line with no change to machine configuration. These easy-to-install induction cap sealers provide continuous, reliable sealing for billions of containers in factories across the world, 24/7, 365 days a year. Enercon's 40 years plus experience in induction cap sealing ensures these machines deliver the same power to each foil, regardless of the number of containers under the sealing head, improving both your seal quality and productivity. The Super Seal range enables you to protect your brand and give consumers the assurance of product safety and quality they deserve.